So there I was, walking down the street, overthinking my life choices like, should I get a 9-to-5 job or sell feet pics online? When, suddenly, bam! Life hit me with the best decision-making lesson from the last person I expected. Meet Dave. Dave was homeless. Dave was also, unbeknownst to me, a life coach in disguise. Now, I wasn't planning on taking life advice from a man whose last meal was a half-eaten burrito he found in a trash can. But then Dave said something that made my brain short-circuit. Bro, you're staring at that $8 coffee like it's gonna solve your problems. Meanwhile, you're one bad decision away from joining me on this bench. Turns out, Dave used to be a stockbroker. Lost it all. Now, he follows one simple rule for every decision, big or small. The 3-second rule. Number 1, pause for 3 seconds before any decision. Number 2, ask, will this put me on the bench or in a Bentley? Number 3, if the answer's bench, walk away. Let's test it. Scenario. Your ex texts you at 2 a.m. Are you up? If you paused for 3 seconds, you'd remember that replying leads to 3 months of emotional chaos. A Spotify playlist called Why Did I Do This? Eventually, Dave's bench. So here's your mission. For the next 24 hours, use Dave's 3-second rule. Texting your crush? Pause. Buying crypto? Pause. Eating gas station sushi? Pause and walk away. Comment below. What's the worst decision you almost made? And if you've ever ended up on the bench, drop a heart so I know I'm not alone. Life is simple, kid. Bad decisions lead to good stories, but good decisions lead to better Wi-Fi passwords. And that's how a homeless man outsmarted me. Like this video if you'd take life advice from Dave, and subscribe for more lessons from questionable mentors. StickSmartVault. Stay smart. For more smart content like this, stay smart, subscribe, like, comment, and turn on post notification.